Both sine and cosine rules relate to the triangle shown here. This angle is given the letter capital A. The side opposite it is a lowercase a. The lowercase a is the length of this side of the triangle. Here we have angle B, and opposite it is side B. Here we have angle C, and the side opposite this is lowercase c. The sine rule states that A divided by sine A, that's the length of the side marked A, divided by the sine of the angle A, is equal to B over sine B, which is equal to C over sine C. This statement actually provides us with three possible equations. We could have A over sine A equal to B over sine B. We could have A over sine A equal to C over sine C. Or we could have B over sine B equal to C over sine C. If we know any three pieces of information, we can use the equation to work out the fourth. For example, we might know the angle A, the angle B, and the length of the side that we've marked B. If we know these three things, we can use the equation to work out the length of the side marked A. Usually on formula sheets, the sine rule is only given to you in one form. Usually this form here. This is very useful when you're working out the length of an unknown side. If you're working out the length of an unknown angle, you should remember that the whole of the sine rule can just be turned upside down, as shown. So you get sine A over A equals sine B over B is equal to sine C over C. This form is best if it's an unknown angle that you're working out. The sine rule only works if we know one pair. We either need to know A and A, or B and B, or C and C. Let's relate this back to the triangle. We need a pair of information that's opposite, A and A, or B and B, or C and C. Only if we know one pair can we use the sine rule. It sometimes helps to collect information when using the sine rule using a table. If we have A and A, B and B, and C and C, if you know any one row, so you know this row, or both things in this row, or both things in this row, you then know to use the sine rule.